back to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I'm just going to jump right in. I'll be doing an unboxing of this gorgeous beauty right here. This is the Griffin Empress die cutting and embossing machine. Okay, so I'm going to talk while I unbox, but let me just say this much. I have to say like a million thank yous to my husband. I have been wanting this machine for the longest. Like around Christmas, I was watching all the craft days. Like, I have been wanting this machine, but you guys know I have two Cricut makers. So, oh my goodness, it's so pretty and it matches my craft room. Oh, I have been wanting this machine for months, but I have two Cricut makers, so I felt like I needed to try to get the most out of those machines. This is the embossing pad, so it comes with an embossing pad. This is the C die embossing pad. I have been wanting this machine more so because my Cricut makers do not emboss. So, and you know that they discontinued the Cuttlebug, or they are discontinuing the Cuttlebug. You can still find like some of the accessories and such. Here are the instructions on Cricut's website, but the machine doesn't emboss. It can do basically anything else, but it cannot emboss. So it comes with some dies. I can't wait to play with them. So yeah, it was a really good price. This is the embossing folder. This one is the lattice ornamental embossing folder. That is gorgeous. And this is the magnetic mat. So he got me the machine as well as the larger set of plates. So I'm going to show that as well. Okay, so what I'm probably going to do is just unbox this in this video, and then in the next video I'll, you know, do like some of my first cuts with it. So let me get this styrofoam out of the way. And you know what? I have to figure out where in my craft room this is going to go. Oh my God. Guys, I have the best husband ever. He understands my crazy. And he knows when I'm passionate about something. Okay, so I got it out of the plastic. And the handle, is this the front? Oh, I think they may have put the handle like this for the design, but it feels like the handle should be on the opposite side. So you have your run, your power, and your reverse. And then, let's see. Okay, then here's the back with the power cord, and I guess this is where the plates come out of. Okay, and then here is what the front of it looks like. Oh my goodness, this matches my craft room perfectly. Ooh, this bad boy. Let me tell you something, you will not be toting her around. You will put her in one spot, maybe on a cart. Ooh, did I just scratch it? Oh my gosh, I think my ring just freaking scratched my machine. So yeah, don't want to be toting that around. And even the cord matches the machine. So yes, I love that. So okay, so that's everything that came in the actual box with the machine. And like I said, he did gift me some of the larger plates, so I'm going to unbox those. Here are the bigger plates. All right, let's see, how can I get this out? This is one of the clear A plates, and this is 8.625 by 13.5, or 22 centimeters by 34 centimeters. So yeah, this does not come with the machine. This was additional purchase that he had to make. Okay, and then this is the embossing mat. Then we have the metal shim, and you know what, guys? I think I'm gonna go by myself the full set of the smaller plates because I've never used a die embossing machine. Okay, so this is the metal plate and the magnetic sheet. They're all in one together. I don't know if you can see it on the side, but those are the two. And then here's the other huge A plate, the clear A plate. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and purchase myself another set of these small plates, which are these ones that came with the machine, just due to the simple fact that from what I saw, you know, when you die cut, the plates are going to get some indentations. They say to make sure that you rotate it. So with this one, you can slide it in this way and then slide it in sideways. But the bigger plates don't come with the machine. So if you have really big embossing, or if you want to do like multiple cuts of a die cut on one sheet, then you definitely want to have the bigger one. So I think I'm gonna go back and purchase the one more set of the smaller ones myself. I'm not necessarily sure how often I'll use the bigger ones, because like I said, this is my first die and embossing machine, so I don't have that many dies at all. I do have some, but I do not have that many. But you guys know that will change. So yeah, I need to go on Ally and get me some dies and just go through any that I have purchased, maybe like with some stamping plates, and I'm going to try to do some of my first cuts in the next video. So look out for that one. Thank you so much again, hubby, for spoiling me. I am like so freaking excited. I cannot wait to tear into this bad boy. But stay tuned for my next video, you all, and thank you so much for watching as always. And until next time, have a good day, doll smooches. Mwah. Bye.